So now we are going to start going through the forms of the letters in Keset Sofer, Simin Hey Alacha Beis Elohim Tmunas Ha'otios. This is the form of the letters. Now, obviously, here the best thing to do is to just look at a picture of the letters, and we'll put that up eventually when we go through all of the discussion. We'll take a picture and put it up on the channel. But for now, let's discuss the alef. The alef needs. The alef has a yud on the right side. I mean, you can see it a little bit here in the right there. It's a little backwards here. So the right side at the top has a yud there, and that needs to have a little point at the top of it. There needs to be a point at the top, and mata, and one below on the right side that touches the gag haluf on the gag on the top of the alef that comes down the middle line. It's called the gag of the aluf. Otherwise, it's disqualified. The yud zu and ideally, the top of this yud needs to match the top point on the gag of the aluf. Hafuch tzad klape mala. It has to be upside down a little bit, facing the top. The Kabbalame Achosid, and it's a tradition from the pious ones, Shetei Regel Yud Zu Nogas Lechatchila Be'emtza Hagag, that the regel of this yud, that the bottom of this yud has to touch the middle of the aleph and not at the end. The Sofagag shall tzad yamin, and the end of the roof of the aleph on the right side has to be a little bent facing upwards. But it shouldn't be too bent. Nekuda tachtona, and the bottom point, sometimes this is the bottom aleph. Sometimes it looks like a small daled hafucha that's reversed al piyasod. This is based upon mysticism. Chayin sarchlios betfillin, and also in tefillin are based upon the tradition of the Ari. And sometimes it also looks like a yud at the roof. So too, ideally it needs to have a little small point also on the bottom yud of the aleph. Al piyasod, and on the basis of tradition, it needs to have this okates needs to be corresponding, equal to the okates ha'elyon shal yud elyon. It needs to be diagonally opposite the upper point of the yud. And then the Keset adds, if the yudim of the aleph are touching the roof, meaning to say the middle line more than appropriately, or ksav yud ha'elyon afucha kazu, or if the yud is written above in the opposite manner, if you can switch it easily, then you should do so. So that's the alef according to the Keset Sofer.